Hello everyone, I'm going to have an update on February 16th, 2024. So starting off with our short forecast, we can see that today we saw some sunshine in parts of the east and north, while in the west and southwest we saw cloud moving in and also some patchy rain drizzle. Through the evening that moved eastwards, not really anything too much, but still some dampness in some areas there. Tonight we'll see that rain clearing off before we see some clearer spells at times overnight, but still it'll be mostly cloudy with some mist at times. Tomorrow we'll see a band of heavier rain moving in from the west. In the morning, this will rapidly engulf the country by lunchtime, and the afternoon we'll see a thoroughly wet day with the rain clearing eastwards in the evening. Into tomorrow night, skies will clear before showers move into the west into the early morning. They move eastwards, some heavy at times on Sunday morning, but by lunchtime you have skies brightening up with some decent sunshine forming, and as well as some clouds. So Sunday should be quite a nice day for many areas. Into Monday, we then see through Sunday into Monday a band of rain moving from west to east. Doesn't look as heavy as the band of rain tomorrow at this stage. Into Monday, in the morning, some showers in the north especially, but throughout Monday we see some sunshine turning more hazy through the day, and by evening we will see rain just skirting the north coast there. Into Monday night, Tuesday morning, we will see an active cold front starting to move southwards from the northwest. So we'll see again a band of heavy rain Tuesday morning. That will clear off by the afternoon to some showers in the north, but otherwise it will be quite a nice day. Before into Wednesday, we see a big wad of rain coming up yet again from south. So Wednesday will be a wet day, followed by heavy and blustery showers, and some will be wintry over high ground. Looking at our temperature forecast, we can see that we'll see that today was a very mild day with highs of 10 to 13 Celsius, coolest in the north. Tomorrow, Saturday, again a very mild night for most areas, before highs reach about 10 to 13 Celsius, mildest in Munster. Tomorrow night, we'll see very high lows of about 9 to 11 degrees. Into Sunday, highest temperatures of about 10 in the west and northwest, up to 13 or 14 degrees quite widely inland. So in the sunshine, it will feel very pleasant. Now, through the evening on Sunday, we see again a very mild night into Monday morning, lowest temperatures of 6 to 10 degrees. On Monday itself, possibly slightly cooler, but still very mild, highs of 9 to 11. Into Tuesday, again a very mild night there, at 6 a.m, lowest temperatures of 9 to 11. Tuesday itself, a bit cooler, highs of 7 to 11. Into Wednesday, we see a cooler morning even, before actually the next area of mild air comes up from southwest. But by by Wednesday afternoon, we have the next area of cold air coming in from the west, and this cool air is likely to establish for Thursday and Friday. So here is the NAO index observed and forecasted. So we're currently slightly positive with the index. It'll go more positive into next week before collapsing towards a more weekly positive level into the end of February. You can see the 1st of March has appeared on the x-axis here. So here is the GFS 12 set. The GFS 12 set is going for a very mild day tomorrow Saturday with an area of rain coming through. Before on Sunday, we see the Azores high throwing a ridge up. That will calm things down. Monday, it still sees an influence from the Azores high. Before into Tuesday and Wednesday, the high slips away to the south, and in come the westerlies and the areas of low pressure. And eventually, we do see a more cyclonic end of the week, also a colder period as well, with the winds coming in from Greenland. That is called cold. So honestly, we have a westerly flow, but it's cold. Into the weekend, we see a deep area of low coming in from the west again. Now that takes in more of a southerly track. So as it clears, we see cold air coming in possibly from the north. Notice that the Siberian high gets very intense in late February here. What happens here? So we end up with these lows over the country just milling around into early March. And we see a block towards Greenland, but it's a very complex scenario, right? There's a block towards Greenland, more towards Canada though. So the cold air is coming out from Greenland and the Arctic into the Atlantic, so to our west. And this low here is maintaining this very mild southwesterly flow. And we've got a big ridge from Siberia down through to Europe. And those are combining to bring up this very mild wind from southwest. So even though there's blocking, it's not in the right place to give us cold weather. If anything, it will keep us mild. Given the look at those temperatures. Really starting to get some heat forming towards Africa and Liberia. And that's the 3rd of March. Here is the ECMWF run. Okay, here is the ECM. Oh, loads. There we go. ECM again tomorrow will be a Wednesday with that little trough coming through. Into Sunday, it goes drier. Sunday nights might see a spell of rain before Monday it clears off. And again Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, in comes this area of low from the northwest. Also, it's colder by Thursday and Friday with showers. This weekend, that low stays around for a time and it stays cold. And by Sunday, February 25th, we have actually a low taking a track to our south. That's quite interesting. The temperatures of that one are quite chilly. Obviously, it's way too far out for details. And it just stays cold, really, up till Monday, February 26th, with wind in from the north. UK Met Run has to update. Yes, it has. So here is the UK Met Run. So, again, similar story. Tomorrow we'll see. Okay, it's actually from yesterday. Forget that then. It's from Thursday, February 15th. Sorry guys, so moving on then to the GEM. I thought that looked off because it didn't show a trough. It actually showed a ridge, and that is today's weather, obviously. So here is the GEM. The GEM is showing this trough coming through into tomorrow. That's more like it. Into Sunday and Monday. Sunday sees a ridge in the afternoon. Then this little trough here comes through into Monday morning. That brings some showery rain before that clears off to again high pressure by the afternoon. Very changeable, but if we time it correctly, it'll be very decent. Into Wednesday and Thursday again, cyclonic influence becomes stronger, and we get colder as well by Thursday and Friday with showers, wintry at times. That low just ends up over us by the weekend, and this low goes to our south, and we end up looking cold by Monday, February 26th. Here is the icon. Here's the icon. Okay. So again, into tomorrow, in comes the rain again. Very, very changeable into Monday, but again, if we time it correctly, it'll be very decent. Into Tuesday, Wednesday, down comes that trough, goes colder by Thursday, but really very, very unsettled there. Very unstable. And by Saturday, February 24th, we're into quite a cold and unsettled pattern. Jet stream is far to our south. And finally, we have the arpege, and it will be finito. And get the 12 set up, and the 6 runs. Hover, get rid of this. So arpege, again, very similar. Tomorrow is going for that little trough coming through, which is Sunday. We may start off actually on Sunday in the east and south with a more prolonged area of rainfall, but that will clear off. Sunday afternoon is drier. Sunday night might see some more rainfall, but into Monday we're drier and milder again. Into Tuesday and Wednesday though, in come westerly winds, deep trough to our north. The Azores High is shrinking away, and very long fetch westerly winds. You can see that they have a cold source, and this cold air will try and move eastwards over the Atlantic. Of course, it'll be nowhere near as cold as the -20 ice storm. By the time it gets to Ireland, obviously, we might get the -5 ice storm, the more modest cold level, as it will have a very long sea track. Either way, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.